Hi everyone, I'm Elena and welcome back to this month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we're taking a look at new tools inside ElevenLabs. Most people know ElevenLabs for AI voiceovers, but it's now becoming a full creative platform where you can create video, music, and voice content all in one place. Let me walk you through a quick example of some of the new features so you can see how easy it actually is. One of the biggest new features is image to video. You can upload a photo and ElevenLabs will animate it into a short video clip. For this example, I uploaded a product image from our client Tri-State Liquors. With one click, ElevenLabs adds motion and turns it into a short promotional video. For businesses, this means product photos can instantly become social media videos without filming or editing. Another game-changer addition is AI music for video. You upload a video clip and ElevenLabs automatically creates background music that matches the pacing and mood. For this example, I'm going to upload a short video clip promo we recently shot at Tri-State Liquors with no audio. Now I generate music, and you can see how it instantly feels more polished and branded. This removes the need to search stock music or worry about licensing. The third new tool in ElevenLabs is Lip Sync VoiceOver. You can now add voice narration to visuals and sync mouth movement automatically. For this example, I added an AI voiceover to a Tri-State Liquors promotional image with their new mascot, Gus.
Stop by Tri-State Liquors for great bourbon deals.
This opens the door to talking mascots, product explainers, or AI presenters without filming anyone. ElevenLabs is quickly becoming a complete AI media studio for video, music, and voice. And that's a wrap on the new ElevenLabs features. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks from Advertising is Simple.